I'm playing dead with Ryan's new dogs. It's gonna be funny. I didn't do my hair today because, you know, woke up late because I'm stupid. So yeah. Here we go. Right. Lilo, Stitch, come here. Come here, Lilo. Okay. Great. That was awesome. Lilo, Stitch, come here. Lilo, Stitch. Lilo, Stitch, come here. Come here, puppies. Come here, puppies. Come here, Lilo. Come on, Stitch. Oh my god. Before I do this, look at Morley. She's still so cute. She's still so cute. Look at this. Anyway. Like, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh crap, wait, why am I a dog? Why am I a dog? Why am I a dog? Hold on. That was scary. That was scary. Oh my god, that was scary. Alright, so that's Stitch. Stitch. That's it. Where's Lilo? Lilo.
Weewo.
Weewo. Where? Weewo. Weewo.
How did you get in?
Lilo, did you go Mission Impossible? How is she in there? Oh, I think she went through the door.
No, she
over
probably
there.
went through this.
She's small enough.
Lilo, come here.
Okay, so we're gonna play dead now in just a second. Alright, here we go. With all 3 of them, here we go. Hey puppies! Hey puppies! Puppies, come here! Come here, puppers. Brian, move the camera. Oh, well, they got bored fast. I was out of the shot. I'm gonna try to redo that, yeah. Oh my god! Oh god, a big attack! Take 2. Come here, puppies. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hello, Stitch. Hi.
Are you okay?
Bruh. Pay attention. Pay attention. Hold on. Puppies, come here. Tickles.
You're eating your shirt.
I know. I don't care.
Lilo's just doing her own thing.
Look at this, they're eating me. They're eating me. Okay, hold on.
What did I do? Oh yeah, they like eating phones as well, so. Look, Lilo!
Hold on, possible thumbnail moment.
Look, they're eating my phone.
Puppies, come here. Hold on, I need a thumbnail. Puppies, come here. I need a thumbnail. Come here.
Have them holding my phone. That'll be a great thumbnail.
Oh, hold on.
All right, thumbnail it. Can you see my hand? Thumbnail it.
Okay. Boom. Good thumb. Alright, yeah. Alright, this is gonna be the final take.
Hey,
Take 3! Alright, here we go. Hey puppies! Hi!
They're eating his hair. Alright, turn up your headphones all the way. They're messing up my hair, dude. This is bullcrap. What the fudge? They're literally just eating me. They're zombies. Dude, they eat everything. Harley, come here. Well, guess that's it for this video. Please leave a like and share with your friends if you enjoyed. Oh my god, this hurts so bad. Okay, leave a like and share with your friends if you enjoyed.
And subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe if you're new.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to that idiot up there.
It's fine.
And
Don't.
like this video for cute puppies. Yay!